dia itu ada tempat simpan apa gudang gitu ya, ada mesin ya. Bangunan tua. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm hiking in Eynesbury near Melbourne. So we just tried to looping the Eynesbury forest loop. Yeah, I found this map on the all trails apps. So now we just around 700 meters from what we start already, and we found like a old building behind us, like a warehouse probably. I don't know. I haven't checked yet what is inside, and um, there is a fence here, and I worry there's electricity. I don't want to jump in, and it's look old, guys. You can see around. It's like a broken windows and broken doors, and probably, and some is already there. You can see the roof. Yeah, the roof is broken already. Look, yeah, here, the roof is broken. So it's a bit dangerous actually if I get in. But you can check from here. You can see. I'm assuming that a long time ago probably there is a business here, like a factory or making something here. Probably. I'm just assuming. Maybe. Okay, let's go. We're gonna keep going there, and it's gonna be looping to the same place where I start, and I park my car over there as well. Okay, let's go.